An espresso martini is a great drink to start your weekend ride. Good evening, my name is Rashesh. We are at Intercontinental Double Bay Stillery Bar and Dining. Tonight I'll be teaching you guys how to make an espresso martini. So to make a classic espresso martini, you need vodka. In the bar we use vanilla syrup as a sweetener, and also we've got a coffee liqueur that's Kahlua, and obviously you need fresh coffee as well, freshly brewed coffee. So basically we start off with the vodka, that is 45 mils. Then we top it off with 10 mils of the vanilla sugar, which is followed by Kahlua coffee liqueur, 15 mils of that. And lastly, some fresh brewed coffee, 30 mils of that. So basically some of them try it with some dry shake first, but I would not prefer that because it sometimes spills out. So to get the maximum froth, I would prefer it with some little shake with less ice, so it gets the maximum froth and you have a nice froth on the top. And the method that we use to shake is the long throw, so you get the maximum air in. And finally finished off in the café. And we use garnish using 3 specific coffee beans. Voila, espresso martini. Did you enjoy?